My name is Choi Lee. I came to this country in 1978. It has not been very easy for the Mien people coming here. Many of them probably regret for coming here. It is very difficult for them for adjusting one culture to another culture. As the older Mien people saying that moving mountains is easier than moving your mind. I don't think a lot of American people are very pleased with the refugees. I think a lot of people, they feel that these people are not necessary to be here in the United States, especially those refugees who cannot help themselves, who depend on the public assistance. I think that a lot of them don't understand why we are here. They need to understand that refugees come to these countries and they have no choice. It's totally different from the immigrant. Immigrants, they come because they want to have a better life, they want to have more freedoms. But refugees, they only come here for survival. It's a danger for them to live in their own countries. The Mien refugees who come to this country, most of them were working for the United States government. As early as 1962, the Mien in the Nam Tha province were engaged in the CIA activities. They were giving the Mien people guns, train the Mien people how to fight, and send them out in the battlefield and fight against the communists until 1975, when the communists took over Laos, when the United States withdrew the troops. Then the Mien and the Hmong specifically were the two groups that communists hate a lot, and they were forced to leave, so they are escaping for their life.